Hello guys! Welcome to my channel at pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang Boyle's Law. Para saan nga ba ito at anong formula ang ginagamit dito? Watch till the end of this video para wala kayong ma-miss na steps sa ating solution. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified in our latest uploads. Definition tayo, Boyle's Law, also referred to as the Boyle-Mariotte Law or Mariotte's Law. It's an experimental gas law that describes how the pressure of a gas tends to decrease as the volume of the container increases. Kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa ang ating proponents dito. Kilalanin natin sila. And our first proponent is si Robert Boyle, an Anglo-Irish natural philosopher, chemist, physicist, and inventor. Siya ang naunang nagpropose nitong gas law. And the other one is si Rimae was a French physicist and priest. Though the same sila ng idea ng gas law, magkahiwalay ang discovery nila dahil si Robert Boyle ay na-discover niya ito noong 1666 while si Rimae ay magkahiwalay na-discover niya ito noong 1676. Pero since mas familiar tayo sa Boyle's Law na lang ang ating gagamitin. And this is our formula. We have here P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. Now our P here is pressure and our V is volume. And according to Boyle's Law, when the volume decreases, the pressure increases. And when the volume increases, the pressure decreases. Huwag natin kakalimutan ito, and we have also here the graphical representation of the Boyle's Law. We have here our P1 is the first pressure, our P2 is the second pressure, and our V1 is the first volume, and our V2 is the second volume. And here's our first problem. A 3-liter container has a gas pressure of 5.2 atmosphere. If the volume is decreased to 1.7 liter, what will be the new pressure inside the container? So, nag-decrease ang ating volume. So, we have here our P1 is 5.2 atmosphere, our V1 is 3 liter, and our V2 is 1.7 liter. And our P2 is the unknown na kailangan natin kunin. And according to Boyle's Law, when P2 is missing, ito yung method na kailangan natin sundin. P2 is equal to P1 times V1 over V2. And here's our solution. And this is our formula. P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. And we have here 5.2 atm times 3 liter is equal to 1.7 liter. And multiply natin siya. We got 5.6 divided by natin both side into volume, which is the 1.7 liter. Apply lang natin 5.2 times 3 liter divided by 1.7, and we got 9.18 atmosphere. So this is our answer, our second pressure. Check lang natin ating answer according to Boyle's Law. Kung ang volume ay nag-increase, magdi-decrease ang ating pressure, and if the volume mag-decrease, i-increase naman ang ating pressure. So, tingnan natin. We have here our volume 3 liters to 1.7 liters. Ibig sabihin, nag-decrease siya. So, dapat mag-increase ang ating pressure. We have here 5.2 atmosphere to 9.18 atmosphere. So, nag-increase ang ating pressure. And in this case, tamang ating sagot. And here's our second problem. The air inside a flexible 4-liter container has a pressure of 130 kilopascal. What should the volume of the container be increased in order to decrease the pressure to 652? We have here P1 is 130 kilopascals. Our V1 is 4 liters. Our P2 is 652, and our V2 is the unknown na kailangan natin kunin. So, ang ating hinahanap dito ay ang volume na dapat nag-increase kasi nag-decrease ang ating pressure into 652. And before that, kailangan muna natin i-convert ang ating 130 kilopascals into torr. Now we have here 101.3 kilopascal is equal to 760 torr. So we got 130 kilopascals over 1 times the 760 torr over 101.3 kilopascal. So multiply lang natin yung sa taas at saka yung sa baba. And then i-divide lang natin. So we got 975.32 torr. So since our V2 is missing here, according to Boyle's law, ito ang method natin gagamitin. V2 is equal to P1 times V1 over P2. And our P1 here is 975.32 torr times our V1, which is the 4 liter, is equal to 3,901.28. So divide lang natin both sides sa 650, which is our P2, 650 torr. Divide lang natin. We got the answer. Cancel na lang natin itong 650 divided by 650. Divide lang natin 3,901.28 divided by 650 is equal to 6 liters. Check natin kung tama ang ating sagot according to Boyle's law, na kung ang pressure ay nag-increase, magdi-decrease dapat ang ating volume, at kung ang pressure naman ay nag-decrease, magi-increase dapat ang ating volume. So we have here our V1 is our pressure is 975.32 torr to 650 torr. So nag-decrease ang ating pressure, dapat mag-increase ang ating volume. We have here 4 liters to 6 liters. So nag-increase ang ating volume. In that case, tama ang ating sagot. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. See you in our next video.